Hello and welcome to a new video. Today I'll be showing off my Roblox Airlines first actual aircraft, which is a 737-800 variant. The airline is called Airways, and it's a Roblox group, and this is its first aircraft, so it only has one. It's 737-800. It's an American British domestic airline. Hopefully, right now I'm currently doing it. It'll look over variety with the aircraft and pilot training flight simulator. Because right now I don't have the own airport, so I'll try to make one and get someone to help script. But I'll not start my first flight until 35 subscribers, and I'll live stream it too. So thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Good night and goodbye.